welcome back to my channel. Today topic is IGBC, Indian Green Building Council. A green building is the one of the uses less water, optimizes energy efficiency, conserve natural resource and generate less waste and provide healthier space for occupants and compared to conventional building. Indian Green Building Council IGBC is leading to green building movement in country. Throughout the building life cycle and green building employ practice or resource and environmental concerns of and idea green building attempt to complete reduce any bad effect and while maximizing any beneficial effect of structure on the both surrounding and environment and human occupants. Indian Green Building Council IGBC was formed by Confederation and Indian Country of CIC 2001. Council has been out of the series based out the CII Sohrabji Green Business Center of Hyderabad, which is Indian first platinum rated green building, net zero energy building. The vision of the council to enable the sustainable built environment for all. IGBC India premier body green building certification and related service totally with a strong report from the various stakeholders. They have been achieved the following significant milestone. 1669 project registered with the IGBC from the various parts of India and abroad amounting to total footprint of 9.75 billion square feet. 31 IGBC green building rating that cover all the typologies and project residential, commercial, industry, healthcare. 1700 plus IGBC member organization comprising developer, corporate, architecture, and institute and government etc. 6132 plus qualified IGBC accredited green building professionals and more than the 30,000 stakeholders have been trained by IGBC until the date. IGBC certified the green project which were conceptualized, designed, constructed and operated the IGBC rating till date more than 3088 project approx 1315 million square feet and 122.2 into 106 M2 and have been rated the IGBC. These IGBC rated projects compared to conventional structure have demonstrated tremendous saving to the extent up to 15,000 megawatt per hour energy per million square feet per the annum, 45,000 KL water per million square feet per annum. Installation 100 megawatt renewable energy in IGBC certified project, reduce CO2 emission by the 12,000 ton per million square feet per annum. Divided into 500 tons and construction water off from the landfill per million square. Green project rated by IGBC fall under the one of the following level as presenting under order of certified silver, gold and platinum. Residential building India, residential building sector one of the largest consumer electricity in India. Continuous urbanization and growth population of result increasing power consumption building. Those while experts express the huge potential for energy conservation in the sector. The belief and still prominent and among the stakeholder energy efficient building are more expanded than conventional building which is adversely affect the greening and the building sector. Belief contested studies and finding evidence of the opposite being the case. EDGE program in India. IFC member of World Bank Group under Confederation Real Estate Developer Association in India CREDA apex body to private real estate developer have been partner promote green building in the country through the IFC EDG and certificate. MOU was signed by presence of the former Minister Environmental Forest Prakash Javadekar and November 25, 2014. BEE certification. Indian Bureau Energy Efficiency BEE launched Energy Conservation Building Code ECBC and Code of Set Energy Efficiency Standard for design and construction with any building minimum condition area 1000 m squared and connected the demand of power 500 kilowatt and 600 kVA with the energy performance index code by 90 kilowatt hours square mm year to 200 kilowatt hours square mm year the where any building fall under the index can be termed ECBC compliant building. Moreover, BEE launched first star rating scheme for office building. Operated only in daytime and 3 climate zones: composite, hot, dry, warm and humid. On 25 February 2009, IGBC rated green building are also able to meet exceeded the ECBC compliance. A Sarboji Godrej Green Business Center is a BEE 5-star rated building. Reserve Bank of India building in Delhi, Bhubaneswar, Orissa and Kerala have been started rated. Tamil Nadu 11 building were started rated by BEE year of 2010 including RBI building. Greenhouse. Tamil Nadu government planning to build solar powered greenhouse rural poor and has been allotted by 1058 crore of the construction. 60,000 houses Maharashtra near Mumbai in the Thane district. Govardhan Eco Village community in India has been built the compressed stabilized earth block rammed earth technique of COP houses ADOB bricks with the traditional thatched and roof of this building have been received 5-star rating for GRAGA on Indian nationwide green standard for building wing of the famous TERA. Traditional building were energy efficient because architecture depended on the place. Building hot and dry region had been corrided and directing wind of cool natural and wet region. Structure using natural light and breeze were used to. Some example are Hawa Mahal articulated window provide the cool breeze desert area. Golconda ventilation design led by freeze cool breeze and split the summer. Traditional building practices were utilized constructing Dhyana Linga mud mortar of stabilities with lime, sand, alum and herbal idea was used.